Deja vu, I just been in this place before. I hear on the street and I know it's my time to go. Calling you, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Whoa! Okay, so we're back in what's this? Thomas Wooden Railway? Yeah, we couldn't get enough of it. This is just such a good game. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my gosh. This is already annoying me. Ugh.
You know why? She's just gonna nuke the VIP.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna. But in the meantime, no! I've already fallen off. My question is why specifically wooden? No, 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 no. I did a barrel roll. More track will be added soon. Really? I guess we're not the only ones who can't get enough of this nonsense.
Golden Thomas looks so cursed.
That's why I told you to get in it. All right, let's go.
No way, our trains are linked.
You're what?
Our trains are linked. I don't have to even press W.
Exactly, that's what I was telling you. I can just pull you along. Why am I... What is gustochoochoo? Is that like... Hey, if anybody in the comments could tell me what the heck that is, that would be nice. If that was like some weird Thomas commercial. Oh, me gusto choo-choo. I don't know. Or maybe it's a character? I don't know, but it looks like deep fried Thomas to me, so. Okay. Let's go this way.
How do you control the direction?
You press on the lever, like any smart person.
Oh.
Alright, so far so good. We're not dead yet. We're going 90...
There's no idiots on the server.
We're going 90 units of speed. What are the Roblox speed units?
I guess we just call them 90 RSU for 90 Roblox speed units.
Oh my god, have we actually made it farther than ever?
Yes, there are no... What?
I'm
Why
stuck.
are we back at the beginning?
The weird sound that this makes. You're not on the rails on my screen, by the way.
Where am I?
You're like... Oh, now you're on the rails, but like... Maybe it was just the perspective I was looking at. I don't know, but you were like slightly to the side. Yep, this is great. All right. Thomas the Tank Engine on Roblox. This is the little engine that could. Ever heard of that story?
Yeah.
Then the friction makes the tracks light on fire. I want that to happen.
It's a wooden track, so that lights the whole thing on fire. If we're applying Minecraft physics.
There is one other thing I could do to go faster.
No.
He knows exactly
We're
what
literally moving at 1 mile per hour.
You mean 1 RSU? Press W, is that gonna... Wee! Holy mackerel. Wait, I wanna try something real quick. Okay. Get on like the back or something. Actually no, stay right there. Stay right there.
You're gonna ram me, aren't you?
Maybe. Woo!
For you to come pick me up.
Oh wow, I didn't need to go slow at all. I don't know what this game's talking about. I'm somehow not derailed yet, and I haven't let go of the... I'm going 200 RSU. Oh, there it goes. I'm still going though. Now I'm going the other way. Are you seeing this? I see you.
I'm playing on a 90-year-old potato. I had that low defense all the way. I mean, I lowered them all the way, either way.
Just turn it up since you're not moving, and then you can turn it back down when I come
Oh, I
through.
see you, I see you. They're literally going like, Sonic speed! You died, didn't you?
As if you couldn't tell when I fell off the map that I died.
I've been waiting for you to get back here and crash into me. Wait a minute. Ah! Hi there.
Look what you did. Look what you did. Bye. Just keep in mind that that's your fault.
Blue train with friends.
Okay. Just blue train with your friend. Almost. Almost got it. Almost. Mario Kart Chocolate. What does this have to do with Mario Kart Chocolate? No! Fast. No, I was not. I'm just being silly. I was being real. No! You're falling. You're like 400 hours. Yeah, I'm Dingle. Dingle my Pringle. That's my way to play. Oh, no way! You have to see what I did.
I'll see it when you upload the video unless you want to preview it on Skype.
No, I think you'll still be able to see it when I come along. In this hot mess that I've created. Hop in. It's a 2-seater. Oh god, this is not gonna stay intact. This is like box ride all over again. Now all we need is to do a boombox and play random sounds from random websites. And that's what everybody needs. Slow? What does that mean? Oh. That was kind of not good. Get busy B James in there. Okay. I might have screwed up. Okay, let's try this again. Except with 2003 Wooden Thomas. Okay. Okay, this isn't working. Oh, man. Yes, okay, get it. Okay. Is it just me, or is it a little bumpy?
It's a little bumpy.
Oh, it's because the trains are linked as well as inside of each other. Alright, come on. Okay, I don't think we're gonna be able to make it up the hills in this. Is it only the gustochoochoo that can do this? Cause like, for some reason, the gustochoochoo is like really fast.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be flying.
Alright, go. Start driving.
Yeah.
Oh my... Oh my gosh! What? No way! What just happened? Choo Choo is like the fastest train.
He's the MVP.
Oh god. Okay, wait, let's try this again.
He meant to just go like
Alright, we're good, we got it.
over the back of the chest and hit his head, and he got so hurt. And you see the video getting up, oh my head. Oh, I'm sure you got.
Maybe this time we shouldn't go 200 miles per hour.
Yeah. Alright, well. I'm just saying everything went flying on my screen. I think I just... Oh no!
What the heck?
Okay. What the heck? Oh! Well, there you go.
God! Oh my god!
Did you fall? Oh no. Why'd you have to say something? Now I'm driving Tokyo Drift style.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. I hear on the street and I know it's my time to go. Calling you, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Whoa! Bam, 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 ba-da, 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 suit your body into the moon. No!
This is my gustochoochoo. My gustochoochoo. Alright, well. That age. I saw that. Okay.
Sonic speed!
Sonic! Ah! What?
Sonic! Oh dang, we're going Tokyo Drift style again!
Wee! Oh, I see you.
I don't know the rest of the song, but it's kind of fun.
Unfortunately, I can't play it for copyright reasons, I think. I don't know if it's copyrighted or not. Probably not, because it's in, like, every YouTube video, but, like, still.
But why would we want to take mine? There's some idiots playing a Thomas the Train game. Well, way too old for this. Somehow finding
Oh, yeah. No! Look what you've done! My gustochoochoo! Oh, gosh.
I guess that works.
Wee! Yeah! Oh.
I don't think those trains are drivable, those other ones. If you go with
No, those are... Have you never watched Thomas the Train before? Those are his carriages. Those are the carriages he always pulls. But you know what's the weird thing? Is he always pulls the carriages in the show, but like nobody's ever in them.
he said it was too big to set.
Thomas lore. How are you still moving?
Imagine this is what we went on.
3. Oh no.
Oh
Press.
no!
Did I just... Okay.
Well, it works.
Not for long. Because Brother of the Wild physics are supposed to make sense. These, I don't think so.
You just have to trim it.
Get on. Get in the train! Quick, before it, like, undoes itself. In. Okay, that's it. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Bye. Oh. What was that sound? Get in. Hop in. Hop in. Quick. Okay. Alright, and we're moving like it's nothing.
Let's actually be careful this time. We should try and win. Watch out, there are going to be some trains in front of us. Make sure you get hold of them,
They should add this to real life trains. It makes it so much easier. Just like delete them from existence. You know, all the passengers inside them, no matter. As long as I can move.
Slow down a little. We're about to derail, it looks like.
Okay. I should have listened. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it up the hill. I don't know if you could still see me and how not fast I'm moving. Can't even delete the train. Oh, no. No. Okay. All right, we're back on the rails. All right.
I guess you're going to link with the trains that we screwed up before. This game should be called Be an Idiot with the Train Simulator.
Oh, God. I just did a whole barrel roll. No.
No, until Nico. Can I have the Nikos?
Oh, no way. No actual way. I just went over. Did you see that?
Expert, yup, the train that you broke is now moving again.
It's moving?
Yes, it's moving. Reverse. You go flying. Reverse.
Why you just keep saying reverse?
I feel like saying reverse.
Oh, wait. Did that really just happen?
Don't gun it.
I'm not gonna gun it.
I'm gonna move a little further.
Ooh!
Yes.
Oh my god! Okay, alright, I'll take that. Oh, wow, I just, like, flew off the rails. I'm still here, though.
I felt so bad.
Come on. Just delete Thomas. This is like try not to die to a freaking choo-choo train. Okay. Let's go. Wait, am I oh, I'm controlling it. Okay, we're going like 90, 100 RSU.
100 RSU.
Okay. Oh god, it just lagged like crazy. Okay. We're linked from the front and the back at the same time. Okay. Do not let go of W.
Let go of W. We gotta go slow.
I can't go any slower, or else we'll not be able to make it. Okay. All right. We can do this. Does it tell you what speed we're going right now?
Like, it keeps spazzing out, but somewhere in the 50, 60, 70 range.
Okay. Are we gonna be able to make it up this hill? Yes. Oh no, it's another hill.
Slow down. Oh, no, another one.
I can't slow down, or else we won't be able to make it up this hill. Oh my god.
Guess what? I tell you, she's gonna sleep on the...
Thomas the Tank Engine was experiencing very much trouble. Expert Yump was stuck sniffing Rainbow Ninja's head, the bald back of Rainbow Ninja's head. That is all I could see. That could explode. Okay, I think we're almost there. Oh no. I hate this. Come on, magic words. Do your thing. I hate this. I hate this so much. Oh my god. We're like exchanging, like you're sniffing the back of my head and I'm sniffing the back of your head. It's like, we're both bald, by the way. I think your character would be super cursed if you just use the blinky face like I'm using. You know, the one that actually blinks. It's free. You should put on the Roblox man face, but it blinks. Which is a thing, by the way. It's called, like, chisel. You know the winning smile?
Yeah.
They have that as a blinking face. Like a moving face. Oh my god. What is this railway? Oh no. Not only are we now sideways, but we're also going uphill. I don't think we're going to make it. We're going to have to... We're going to have to delete one of the trains.
No.
What is this?
We may make it.
Oh. Press W.
Got it.
Go backwards. Okay. No! Okay, I could do this. No! Oh, no! What was that? No! Alright, I guess we'll do this one at a time.
Oh, that's what you have, Paul? Is that what you have?
No. the PS5.
I'm like not anywhere near you. I don't know where you are.
I just passed my spawn.
Oh my god. Deja vu. I just been in this place before, higher on the street. You're like the tortoise from Tortoise and the Hare. Holy crap, did you see that? Percy just had a spasm attack. No, like look at the spawn right now.
Oh god, spawn's loaded out.
Oh, well, okay. Just keep looking in that direction. You're about to see You're about to see what happens when you spawn too many trains in one. All right, yep. Are you seeing the spawn yet? Holy, Gordon is having a spaz attack. Roblox is probably lagging, probably not the computer. Oh
You're
no.
making my computer lag, and I'm not even loaded in.
Wait till you see what happens. I can't move. Gordon's in the way.
This is like when people spawn 500 boxes in the box ride game.
What?
On the side to see it, but I'm so far.
Oh my god, this is gonna be an interesting video.
This is like Thomas the Train, but it's the tortoise in the hair. I just tortoise and you're the hair though.
Like,
this is like the easiest cart track to walk on. The other ones are
bro, I can't. No, I got myself stuck. What just happened? I'm soft locked. I can't use gustochoochoo anymore.
I bet the guy programming these.
I remember I used to play with wooden trains like this as a kid, and if they went too fast, they would derail, and it was hilarious. Oh my god, there's one slowly falling. There's one spinning at the bottom of the map because it's hanging off of another one that's inside of the map. No way.
That's the one I see.
Oh my god.
I may be slower, but if you somehow catch up to me, that'll be crazy.
I had better catch up. I'm in like a speeding train. No. I wanna die.
You're at spawn, right?
I am at spawn.
Tell me when your train comes down the red thing.
Did you just see the train fly up into the sky by any chance? Okay. Yes, I saw. You ended up sabotaging yourself instead of me. By the way, are you in creative mode? Alright, well, there goes those trains. You just, like, slid. Did you buy
No
any...
way, the amount of trains froze the computer.
Oh, that's why you're frozen on my screen, because you're also frozen on your screen.
And you set my fan to the turbo mode. Oh, there we go. For my sake, I need to get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can't even see you anymore. Did you just go flying, or was that a train? Oh my god. There's wings. Okay, I'm flying it.
Roblox.
The game's
It
like
didn't
enough.
used to be able to.
The game said enough. Just want a goose. Alright. Well, that's nice. This is gonna be a fun video to edit.
Oh god, get the spawn, get the spawn! Something crazy is happening!
Okay, I'm dying. Alright. I'm spectating spawn, I think, in right about now. What the hell? Or should I say, what the HE double hockey sticks? This is like a jump scare of some sort. What the heck? Alright. Well, oh my god. I gotta get to... I've got to get to that part of the track. Thomas Blight Gannon. He derails your life. He derails your body from your soul.
Score drums of Thomas Wooden Railway.
Oh my god. I'm watching this from above right now. I thought I just like died for a second. What am I seeing? Oh my god.
428 miles per hour.
Thomas the cluster of wheels.
RSU. I was 428 RSU.
Roblox speed units.
Oh
Thomas
my
the
God,
cluster
that's
of
my
wheels.
perspective right
I
now.
think we've created Thomas the thermonuclear bomb, and maybe even in real life, your computer may or may not explode in a few minutes.
Oh my god.
I'm still watching this. This is hilarious. This is like so
I'm out of
weird.
wheels everywhere. It's just that I went. Oh my god! It's just that I went 1,027 RSU.
1027 RSU. Holy crap. That is a lot of RSU. Okay. Still going.
I just died and it got the 2,000 RSU.
Oh my god. I'm gonna make it, by the way. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it to the end in gustochoochoo. Look at me. Look from spawn. Did you just go flying?
No.
No! It derailed on its own!
Jokes for speed
Well-
wasn't necessarily a claim, but it warned us that we used copyrighted music.
I think that's gonna be the end of our Thomas the Wooden Train, or whatever this game is called. Thomas Wooden Railway.
Maybe we'll come back to it and beat it one day if the video gets like 1,000 likes.
If this video manages to get 1,000 likes, then we'll come back and play
Oh, we all know that will never happen.
more
No, I
Thomas
cannot move.
the Wooden Train or Thomas Wooden Railway.